Preparing the skin is probably the most important aspect of scalp micropigmentation, and many competitors or many other people who provide this service don't really provide any pre or post care. Pre-care is important as you get that skin ready to accept pigment. We want that pigment to look beautiful for years to come. We want that look to be natural and authentic, and if we have the best skin and the best canvas ready to do that, we can do an amazing job. If skin is not prepared, it has a lot of dead skin cells in there, that pigment can just get pushed out, at no fault of anyone's. It's just not ready to accept this pigment. And we want to make sure that we can give that natural and detectable look. If you think about a scar, the skin has already been damaged a little bit. That's why it's a scar. And if we don't prepare that scar, it's not going to want to accept something new. It's going to still try to protect itself, and that's what it's doing. To create a pre-treat for that scar means that that scar is going to be ready to accept pigment and it will blend in seamlessly. The same thing with people who wear hair systems. Their skin has been covered for a long time. It isn't used to the elements, it isn't used to something different, and it will naturally try to recreate itself and push the pigment out. And if we can avoid that and we can really prepare that skin ahead of time, the look is going to be even better than you would expect, because the skin is ready to accept it. When you're going in and doing scalp micropigmentation, you're making tiny little incisions in the scalp by putting the pigment in. And so this is a small wound, and you need to take care of that wound. And so we provide an aftercare 30 days minimum. You're using antibacterial medication to ensure that the skin does not get infected. We're also making sure that the skin stays moisturized, and we want to make sure that the client takes care of the scalp so this investment lasts a lifetime.